Regardless of your profession, it's essential to have the right tools and a supply company you can trust. For all 18 years of my business, I've gone to Treasure Valley Supply, located right here in Meridian, Idaho. And with brands like Steccone and Pulex, you can rest assured you're able to choose from the best tools of the trade. So today I'm going to talk to you about handles. Here we've got the original, the regular handle, which securely fastens the channel in place with 2 nylon nuts. Now, this handle is great for pole work or commercial applications, especially while doing speed windows, or any job where you don't have to change the channel out for a different size. Job after job, you can rest assured that the channel is locked firmly in place without having to adjust or mess with it. Here we've got the Magi-Klip, world's first single point quick release handle. Now, this guy is great for any job where you might be switching out the channel for a different size mid-job. Maybe on a job you need a few extra inches to reach the top of the window. Or my favorite reason is even if you're on a ladder or a roof, you're able to quickly and easily pull out the rubber, switch it around, and get back in the game. So right now, Treasure Valley Supply's got an awesome promotion going on. Purchase any 3 channels and receive the handle of your choice absolutely free. Both these handles here come in brass, stainless steel, or the ultralight aircraft grade aluminum. So hop online, go to treasurevalleysupply.com and get yours today. Now get back up on that ladder.